WinkBeds makes three luxury mattresses, each tailored to different sleepers. The flagship WinkBed is a hybrid inner spring with a plush pillow top and comes in four firmness options: softer, luxury firm, firmer, and plus for heavier bodies, making it versatile for back, side, and stomach sleepers. The Gravity Lux is their all-foam model, built with air-cell foam that's more breathable and responsive than standard memory foam. It's offered in soft, medium, and firm versions, giving contouring without that stuck feeling, and it works well for back sleepers or anyone who wants firm comfort with easier movement. The Eco Cloud is a latex hybrid made with organic cotton, wool, and natural latex over coils, giving a bouncy, breathable feel. It's especially appealing to hot sleepers and eco-conscious buyers, though less ideal for stomach sleepers who need extra firmness. Pricing runs from about $1,500 for the WinkBed and Gravity Lux to $1,700 for the EcoCloud, all with strong policies. Do your own research.